It's your boy Dashinq. Let me get that. Hey yo, Q. You feel me? Let's go.
What's the word? It's Saturday. It's your boy Dashinq, and you know we out here. I stay hustling. You feel me? I got a Panera bread off the rip, $6 plus for 2 miles. You know, $6 plus off the rip. I came out at 9 though, cause I'm smart. I'm not a dummy. I stay in school. All right, we got that Panera bread. First drop off. Yo, second order the morning. We got a Taco Bell, $6.50 for 2.7. $6.50 for 2.7 miles. Let's go. Let's go. Order says it's ready. All right, we got Taco Bell. Damn, what about the handicapped people? You ain't got no buttons? All right, we got a slim chicken, $6 plus for 1.5 miles. Let me get that. Let's get on this big ass order. I hope they tip me right. We'll see. We'll see what the tip like. But all right, give me a second, y'all. Burger Queen order, $4 for 0.6 miles. Hopefully stack me with something, man. Come on, man. We can't be doing these small fries. All right, we got this. Oh, $4. Yeah. Doordash.
I'm 50.
Oh man, for real? I'm waiting on a waiting list for them guys. Let's see. I guess they'll come get it. All right, we got another Burger Queen order, $6 for 1.5 miles. So after that $4 drop off, they tried to get me to stand there, but I left it on the counter and kept going. Let's get this order though. All right. There you go. Oh, have a good one. All right, man. We got a $10.50 for 5 miles. Boulder Tap House order. Let's go ahead and let me get that. Let me get that. You feel me? All right. Hey, yo, man, what's up, man? It's your boy Dashinq, man. It's been going decent so far, man. It's Saturday, and they just sent me a terrible ass order, $7.50 for 6.7 miles, man. This shit disgusting. Let's go. Man, we got this Jersey Mike's, man. This is a terrible order I was talking about. Burger Queen order, $4. Okay, we got another order. So walking in, they gave me a $6 plus for 2.3 miles, an add-on. Let me get that. And then they just added on the Taco Chan, but this Burger King is $6.50 plus for 1.7 miles, and Taco Chan is $6.50 for 3 miles. Let's get it. All right, man, we got the order says ready. Taco Chan.
Your destination is on the left.
There you go. Dash right next door to my neighbor. That's my crib right here. And here go the neighbors. Hell no. All right, we got a $6 Panda for 1 mile. Hopefully it's ready, man, because they can't.
Your destination is on the left.
You hear? They kind of busy, so hopefully it's ready. 112. Hi. I got another Panda Express. This is the last one, and then I'm gonna take a brief little break, clean my car out, you know, get a little fresh air, and then get back to it. You know what I'm saying?